Hello everyone. Oh man, it has been a long time since I have been on here. Like actually almost a year actually, I think. It has been a really long time. I did not realize it had been that long. But it has. So, and a lot has changed. So obviously my background is very different. My setup is not set up anymore. The lighting on this is definitely not going to be the greatest, just not going to be the greatest, but we're going to put up with it for today. So I have an unboxing for you. This is the American Beauty Influencer box. This box is $35 and it comes every other month. So every 2 months you get it. And it's different. It focuses on a different influencer a different influencer each time. And I actually really like it. I get a lot of different products in this box from people that I have not heard of. So, and a lot of the products I actually do really like. So this month, everything in this box is from Authentic Beauty Concept. So it does come with this card. It tells you everything that is in the box and the prices. So this box is, it's just a hair care line, which is actually, I think, pretty cool because I've only gotten, no, it's not working. Try this. I've only gotten a one box with one hair care line in it, and I actually did end up really liking that one. So this one is from the Authentic Beauty Concept, like I had said, and we will get to, I'm just going to start at the top and pull everything from there. So this is the Hydrate, okay, so this is the Hydrate Cleanser shampoo, I'm guessing. So I know first off for me, if I see cleanser, I'm going to automatically think it goes on my face. So that might get a little confusing to some people, but okay. So this is the Hydrate Cleanser. It says this, you cannot see that. It says this pleasant cleaner. This pleasant cleaner brings back, oh my gosh, cleanser. I cannot speak. Oh goodness. Okay. The pleasant cleanser brings back elasticity and shine to normal to dry or curly hair, leaving hair feeling fresh, not stripped. And this is $28. This is a 10 fluid ounce. My hair is about shoulder length, as you can see. It is thin. I don't have a whole lot of it, so a bottle this size actually for me would last me quite a while. It smells really good. I actually really like that smell. Okay, so that is the first thing. The next thing, obviously, to go with it is the Hydrate Conditioner. It says this lightweight conditioner moisturizes normal to dry or curly hair and helps it appear supple and smooth. This bottle is 8.4 fluid ounces, and it also retails for $28. And this smells obviously just like the shampoo. So what I can see now is this is a very, very tiny hole right there. So if this is a thick conditioner, which I have heard that it is, that might be a little bit of an issue. Although it is not going to matter if I cannot get the lid back on it. Okay, there we go. And again, $28 for that one as well. Then we have the Hydrate Mask. This is what it looks like. It says this hydrating mask is an intense yet lightweight treatment that deeply moisturizes while bringing back elasticity and shine. This retails for $38. That better be quite good for a hair mask. That's a lot of money for a hair mask. Okay. So this is, ooh, what it looks like open. That actually looks, oh, that is, whoa. Okay. That is actually super thick. Oh, and it smells really good. Okay, so that is going to most definitely be a thick mask, which I do like those. I just think they soak in your hair a whole lot better. $38 is kind of a lot of money though. Okay, so the next thing that we have is the Hydrate Lotion. This, oh, I don't think I said how many ounces. This is, where is it? Oh, 6.7 fluid ounces in this one. So if you have long, thick hair, I'm not sure this is gonna last very long for you. So, okay. So this is, yes, the Hydrate Lotion. This lightweight lotion fights frizz and helps to protect the hair from blow dry damage. I don't blow dry my hair really, but I do use a flat iron on it a lot, so that might help with it. Oh. Okay, this has the same smell. I like that so far everything in here has the same scent. This retails for $28 and it is 5 fluid ounces. All right, and then we have the blow dry primer. I don't think I've ever used a blow dry primer. All right. It says, this fluid prep mist with protection against blow dry damage creates this ideal base for any hairstyle and provides subtle control with light conditioning. And it also retails for $28. That also smells really good. And it is a spray nozzle, obviously. That comes out really fast. That is a, that's gone. That is a very, very thick mist. That is really not the right words, and that sounds terrible. And this video is probably going to be awful, and I do apologize for that. But I do want to do one because it has been way too long. I am getting back into YouTube some more, so I will be back, but I will get my setup done a little bit better and the lighting a little bit better. I will try out all of these products, and then I will come back and do a review video for you, so you can hear what I think about them and if I think that they work. All together for a $35 box, obviously you get your money's worth. I love that they did a whole box of nothing but hair care, and that it's literally like the same brand and the same line. I think that's awesome. I've never gotten a box that's been like that. The one that hair care line that I got once before, I did like it, but it was mixed in with other things. So from different brands. So I like that this is all the same brand in the same company, and those are the same words. Anyways, so that is everything that I have for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys all very soon.